Oh yeah, it's windy. Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ, for another day. Hey, how are you? No, don't worry about it, dude. You're like family already.
Sunday, I'm like, man.
Why is it making noise or what?
It is.
Yeah.
It is.
Let me the front. You're in the front.
Yeah.
Come on.
They're in the Philippines.
Oh yeah? My mom's in Idaho right now.
Yeah.
Resources.
Yeah, nothing needs to be changed, man.
What about the
Zero.
oh, zero?
That's what I'm thinking.
Inside. So, it'll take maybe 2 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah. How's it, guys? It's Fix It Angel. Thank you for joining with me. This is a 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander. This is actually my godbrother's own. He lives in California and he's here in vacation and he heard some brake noise. He said it's from the rear, so it's on this side. He decided to call me up and ask me if I could do it. I was like, hells yeah, your family. Alright guys, let's do this. Alright, this is it. Metal to metal right there. Yep. Metal to metal. Size 14. This one. Oh. Oh yeah, you gotta dye it. Thanks, son. Right there. Just come out. Nope. Take down right there. 12. Alright. Pull that out. That's it. I have a special tool for that one. 14. Huh. Ah, shit. Oh, yeah. Next. Ah, fuck my wrist. Alright, got it. Got that. Yep, it just started right there. That's the inner. Outer. Take this one out. Oh, this is bad. I'm not gonna resurface it. Put in the new ones. Let's listen. The bearing is good. Let's clean some of this. This bad boy. There you go. So it doesn't get stuck. Get that. Good. Let's see the hardware's here. Got 4. Looks the same. Pop this one out. Smells good. Backside. That's good. Okay. Good. Good. Okay, put it on. Torque that. That's right, 55. Yes. Together. We got this. Ugh. This right here. Put that in. Next. Again. Twist. Push. Now for the hard part. This one. Alright, let's go find the right one. Alright, let's turn it clockwise. Oh, yes. Come on, baby. Help me out. There we go. Twist. There's this. Just. Whoops. Gotta put some force. There we go. Just. Oh, no other way. There you go. Oh shit. There you go. Tighten. Just tighten. What the fuck am I doing? Out. Just. Tighten. Just. Let's see. More. A bit more. Come on, baby. Got you. Gotcha. Where is it? Okay, I think that's good. Put it in. Oh, let's go check the brake fluid. Ooh, we have to take out some. My kimchi container. Leave it like that. By hand. 25. Good. Alright, we're good. Okay, good. Don't forget that. Good. Oh, time lapse the other side. Double check it. Looks good. Looks good. Let's go pump the brake pedal. Slowly. Alright, until it gets hard. It's good. Put everything back, test drive. This car has 160,000 miles. Nice. Alright guys, watch, learn, wrench, repeat. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. God bless. Peace. Cut. Hey, how are you? Yeah, hi.
Hi. Ni hao. Are you Chinese?
That's right.
Oh, yeah.
Korean.
Oh, okay.
Korean?
Can I bring my car here too?
You live here?
No. Canada.
Canada? Oh, nice.
Never mind Zell, we're good.
Okay. Oh man,
No, dude, hey, family, remember family,
Yeah,
family.
thank you so
Next
much.
time.
Yeah, next time.
What
If-
if, you know,
Man,
we
you're
have
a
a,
lifesaver.
yeah, you're a lifesaver.
Take you, take
And
you.
I know it's Sunday today.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
No worries, you know.
Imagine how.
You guys are family, you know, from my mom knows.
Yeah, my gosh. Take, yeah. Thanks, Bart.
Thanks.
Yeah,
Appreciate it.
yeah, you're welcome.
Okay,
Okay,
안녕하세요.
Right on, man.
You got, oh yeah.
Okay, you guys drive safe, huh?
Thank you.